First of all, you just open your Wavlink router using default IP address, which is 192.168.10.1, and then press OK. After that, here you can see the Wavlink AP. Here you can see your admin password, which is admin. I'm just giving here and press on login. After login, Wavlink dashboard will appear like this. Here you can see switch mode. Just click on this option. After clicking, here is the three mode: repeater, AP, and router. I will select AP mode, then apply. After applying, here is some settings you will change if you want. I'm just giving here admin password. You must will change this using a unique password. I'm just giving a unique password for admin login. Also, you will change your country region. I'm just selecting here that is India. After that, I will click next, and here you will see the SSID. I'm just typing here a SSID BD-Wi-Fi. Then from this encryption mode will be same here, and just give here a simple password. Then press save. Just wait a moment. I'm just forwarding this section for quick response. After that, click on refresh. Then again will be login dashboard, and just sometimes ago I given a password. The password I have given here again. Here you can see the complete dashboard of Wavlink access point mode. Here you can see the Wi-Fi status. Mode is access point mode, and 2.4 will be same BD Wi-Fi. Then go to wireless. Here you can see the this mode will be enabled. Then 2.4 SSID name will be single, whose frequency will near, then will be connect. Then encryption mode will be open. Then save. After applying, I'm forwarding this section, and again click on refresh option. Then again give here the password, which one you created sometimes ago. Just log in. That's it. Your access point mode has been converted. All settings has been set. Now you will log out from this. Just enjoy. Thanks for watching.